kakain tayo and ito yung kakain. Kaya meron din akong binilang bake. Wait lang, wala akong spoon. Ayan. Ito po guys. Ito po. No. Is a nom. A gulang man. First is cans. Okay. Wait lang guys.